The earthquake puts the spotlight on emergency preparedness with thousands of people still without power, as Karen just said. News Channel 3's Tatum Larson live in studio with more on what you can do to be prepared in the event of a large earthquake right here in the Coachella Valley. Tatum.
Hi, John. Though the earthquake that shook millions of Northern California residents earlier today was far from home, local disaster experts want to remind Valley residents of the importance of always staying prepared. I spoke with representatives from the Coachella Valley Disaster Preparedness Network who told me that what you do before to prepare for an earthquake is just as important as what you do when it strikes. Millions of Northern California residents were woken up with a 10-second warning to drop, cover, and hold on. The life-saving drill is pushed by local disaster preparedness experts who know that surviving a quake has a lot to do with planning ahead.
Depending on if you're a single person, if you're married, if you have children, if you have pets, everybody needs to be part of the plan, and they need to know what that plan is because earthquakes don't discriminate.
The CVDPN recommends storing 3 days worth of supplies, including food and water, securing household objects such as heavy furniture and light fixtures, discussing a safe meetup location with your loved ones, and storing a go bag under your bed with sturdy shoes, socks, and flashlights so you're able to navigate in the dark. It's also important to have a vial of life with any medications you may need.
It can be anything you want. It can be a Ziploc baggie, but the basic is it has your name, it has your medical information, and you try to keep it as current as possible so that people know whoever your first responder might be. And it could be a neighbor, most likely, after a large-scale event, to let them know what medications you are on.
The CVDPN also told me that one of the most important tools you can have during an earthquake is a solid network. Getting to know your neighbor's strengths and needs before a disaster is the best way to give and get help when it strikes. For more earthquake preparedness resources, you can head to KESQ.com. Live in studio, I'm Tatum Larson, News Channel 3.